Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine, and I am starting out on 3-week dirty hair. So first I'm just going to go in and just pre-rinse my hair before I shampoo it, and I just like to make sure my curls start to revert a bit before I go in with my shampoo. Now I am going to go in with the Olaplex number 4C clarifying shampoo. This is something new that I'm trying out. This is my very first time using this shampoo, so I definitely want to test out this shampoo and see if I liked it or not. So this is my first shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with my shampoo massaging brush just to get out all of the buildup and dandruff and all of that stuff on my scalp. Absolutely love this shampoo brush. And I did want to try out this Olaplex shampoo because I find that my Jamaican black castor oil from SheaMoisture, that shampoo is kind of weighing down my hair after about a week because it has a lot of oils and butters in it. So I definitely wanted to try out this shampoo to see if it really clarifies my hair, and it doesn't have any proteins or anything in it, and it does do a good job at cleaning my hair, which we love, and it does not leave it overly stripped, which is good. And then right now I'm just going in with my second shampoo, and as you can see it is lathering very, very well, which I absolutely love. So this shampoo does protect your hair by removing heavy metals, minerals, chlorine, pollutants, and product buildup. It's non-stripping, non-drying, and sulfate free, which I absolutely love. My hair loved this shampoo. This is going to be my new staple. And then right now, of course, I'm just going in to rinse out that second shampoo that I did on my hair, and I did make sure to get my very ends as well, just to get all the buildup out so that I can get a really good silk press. And then next I'm going to go in with my Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. This has been a staple since I've been relaxed. I don't always show this step in all my wash day routines, but this is something that I use every single wash day for detangling purposes. It does give my hair really good slip so that I can go into detangle. Then next I'm going to go in with the viral UNbrush, which has been all over YouTube, TikTok, everywhere, just to get the tangles out of my hair, and this does a really good job. I'm loving this detangling brush even more than my Denman brush, which I usually use. And as you can see, my hair is just gliding through very, very nicely. And my hair honestly hasn't been getting too tangled like it used to do, like years ago before I started heat training, which is good. Then I'm going to go in to rinse out that conditioner. And I absolutely love the Aussie Miracle Moist. It's one of my favorite of all time. Really good slip. It gets all the tangles out. And then next, I'm just going to kind of take my MicroFiber hair towel just to remove some of that moisture and water from my hair. And I'm going to go in with my staple. It is the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Deep Hydration Mask. I'm just going to put this all over my hair. I'm not going to put this at my roots. I'm just focusing on basically mid shaft and down because I don't want my silk press to come out super greasy and oily, and I don't want to cause that buildup in my scalp. And then I'm just going through and re-detangling my hair, and as you can see, my hair is reverting back very nicely. No damage after 2 years of heat training, so that's exciting. I'm just twisting my hair up, getting it out of the way. I'm putting on my processing cap because I am going to go in with a deep conditioning treatment on my hair. And I'm just going to put on the cap that comes with my deep conditioning heat cap that I like to use to get that good penetration, to get all of the great benefits of my deep conditioner that I just put in my hair. And I'm going to sit under this heat cap for about 15 minutes. And I am just going in after the 15 minutes of sitting under the heat cap. I am drying my hair a little bit, and I am going to use the Wow Dream Coat. This is also another new product that I'm trying out, my very first time using it. And basically I just use as much as I thought I would need. I used ample amount of it, but I didn't oversaturate my hair like the directions say, because I don't feel like that's necessary. And then I'm going to go in with my Tymo hair dryer on the very highest setting, hot setting. I always use the hottest setting. And I did use my Olivia Garden paddle brush as well. And I do like to go in and kind of stretch out my hair before I use the paddle brush, just so I'm not like causing too much manipulation and stress to my hair and damage. So you'll always see me kind of like stretch it out first with the blow dryer and then go in with my paddle brush with some tension, just to make sure that I'm getting my hair as straight as possible, because you always want to go in and have a really good blow dry on your hair so that you can go in with your silk press and not have to do more than one pass, which is always a good tip. Always do a very good blow dry before you go in with that flat iron. So as I was saying before with the Wild Dream Coat, this is my first time using it. So I didn't use any other products in my hair when I blow dried my hair. And it says, you need the blow dryer to activate the product. So it says to use basically every 3 to 4 shampoos. And it says the benefits is that it blocks humidity to prevent frizz. It leaves hair silky and glossy. And let me tell you, I really did enjoy this product, but as I said before, I don't feel a need to overcoat and saturate my hair, because nobody's hair is going to be waterproof. So here is one side of my hair done, and here is the finished result of my blow dry, feeling nice and soft. And then I'm going to go in with my FHI flat iron and then a straightening brush that I've been trying out from Amazon. Really been enjoying this brush. This is my, I think, second or third time using it. It's ceramic and it has nylon bristles, so it really does help you smooth your hair really good. I find better than the chase method with the comb, and it's really affordable. I have it linked in my Amazon store, but this silk press just came out so unbelievably nice. Did also want to mention my flat iron is on 370 degrees. And I've been loving the FHI at 370. It's really been doing a good job with getting my hair nice and how I like it without using that extra heat. And here are the results. Do you see this? And then I'm gonna go in with my hair wax just to tame a few flyaways that are, sticking up at the top of my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my gray away just on, the parts that are growing out at my roots that are coming in gray, of course. And here are the finished results, everybody. So beautiful. I'm absolutely loving my hair. I feel like this is one of the best silk presses that I've done. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.